Hello everyone and a very warm welcome. In this tutorial, we'll create barcodes in documents using Power Automate. But before we get into the demo, let's look at a use case. Let's say that I want to upload the files in a barcode folder in my OneDrive. I want to add my employee number as a barcode and save it back into the SharePoint folder named as modadmin. So now that we understand the use case, let's get into the demo. So here I'm going ahead and creating an automated flow. The first step would be to add a trigger. So I'm going to use OneDrive for Business. So I'll type in OneDrive and I'll use when a file is created properties only. I'll select the unique identifier or the folder. The next step would be to get the file content. So I'll add the action again. I'll type in OneDrive and I'll click on get file content. To this action, I'm going to pass in the ID. Now that we have the file content, the next step would be to add the Muhimbi action, and I'll type in Muhimbi, click on see more, and here I want to add barcodes. So add linear barcodes. Perfect. To this action, I'm going to pass in the file content. Let's say that I want to add my employee birth date. So I'll say 20/07/1990. And here you see, you can go ahead and create barcodes of many types. If you want to learn more about barcodes, you can go to the Wikipedia article and learn more about linear barcodes, right? So now that we have created the barcode, the position is middle center, but let's say that I want to add it in bottom center. I'll give it a width of 100 and I'll give it a height of 50. Both of these measures are in points. And I'll add the barcode in the background. Perfect, right? The next step would be to go ahead and create the file in my SharePoint. So I'll type in SharePoint and I'll create the file. So I want to create the file in the communication site, and the folder is employee files and my employee name. Here I need to add in the file name, right? So I'm going to add in name and then I'm going to add the processed file content. So one important thing in the linear barcode watermark, I need to show all and I need to pass in the file name, right? So I need to pass in the source file name. So this is where I need to pass in the source file name. I'll quickly type in name. And I think that's pretty much it. So I can type in barcode demo. Now that my flow has been saved, I can quickly click on manual and try to test the flow. So I'll quickly drag and drop few documents out here and the documents are getting uploaded and this should trigger my flow. Perfect. So our flow has been triggered and it's trying to add the barcodes to the documents. Perfect. So our flow has completed. Let's go back and look at the history. So it looks like all of the four files. So it seems that all of the four files have been watermarked with the barcode. So let me go back. Let me quickly click on refresh. Perfect. So let's start with the PDF. So I'll say open in browser. And here, my friends, you see that there is a barcode. So let me quickly open the Word document. And you see the barcode is at the bottom. Perfect. Let me open the PowerPoint document. The barcode is here. And then finally, let me open the Excel document. So the Excel document, the watermark is not visible because the watermark will be visible in the print view. You see how easy it is to add a linear barcode watermarks to documents using Power Automate and Muhimbi action. I hope this tutorial was informative. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.